This is my first row here, and this is my guiding piece. So I'm going to hold this here. I'm going to take my outer lock. I'm going to twist it a little bit and wrap it right around my guiding piece. And I wrapped it twice. I'm going to take this outer lock and do the exact same. Now I'm going to go up to the next row, pull it down. Take that middle piece and I'm going to hold it right with the row that I just finished. Take my outer pieces, twist it a little bit and wrap it right around twice. Take my outer piece, do the exact same. And I'm going to do the exact same going all the way up. I'm going to show y'all another row. My guiding piece is here. Hold it. Outer piece, wrap it around twice. Outer piece, wrap it around twice. Y'all can see the barrel starting to form, and we're going to do that all the way up. As y'all can see, this is a bigger row, so what I'm going to do is take these two pieces here and hold them as my guiding piece. Since it's directly where the last piece left off at, I'm going to hold it. Take my two outer pieces and wrap it around, and the other side, wrap them around. Now that we have our barrel twist complete, I'm going to take a rubber band and place it right at the end here. This is what you should end up with, and now I'm going to do the exact same to the other side. Y'all are not really going to see me twist this side because of the angle that I have everything set up. I won't be able to really capture this side. Other than that, I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did to the right side to the left.